Welcome to Greece, everybody! From the ancient ruins of Athens to the stunning beaches of Santorini, Greece is a place that's sure to capture your heart. As we travel together, we'll explore ancient temples, soak up the sun on idyllic beaches, and savor delicious Greek cuisine. Get ready for an adventure, folks. We're about to discover the best that Greece has to offer. Our adventure begins in Athens, the historical heart of Greece. Athens is a city that's meant to be experienced on foot. As we wander through the historic Plaka district, we'll weave through narrow streets lined with charming tavernas. And then there's the Acropolis, folks. This majestic hilltop citadel, crowned by the iconic Parthenon, is a sight that will take your breath away. But Athens is more than just ancient ruins. We'll explore world-class museums like the Acropolis Museum and bustling markets like Monastiraki. So, grab a strong Greek coffee, find a sunny spot, and soak it all in. Athens is a city that stays with you long after you've said goodbye. Get ready to be swept away by the beauty of Santorini, folks. This enchanting island with its stunning landscapes and crystal-clear waters is a paradise on Earth. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently lapping against the shore and the sight of the sun rising over the Aegean Sea. This iconic Greek island is a dream destination for a reason. Its unique charm lies in its dramatic cliffs, whitewashed buildings, and vibrant blue domes that create a picturesque setting unlike any other. Every corner of Santorini tells a story, waiting to be discovered. We'll start our Santorini adventure in Oia, perhaps the most photographed village on the island. Known for its breathtaking sunsets and charming streets, Oia is a place where time seems to stand still. Wander through its narrow alleys, explore its quaint shops, and soak in the mesmerizing views. Speaking of the caldera, we'll be sure to take a boat trip out to the volcanic islands of Nea Kameni and Palea Kameni. These islands offer a unique glimpse into the island's volcanic past. Hike up the rugged terrain, feel the warmth of the volcanic soil beneath your feet, and marvel at the panoramic views of the caldera. And of course, no trip to Santorini is complete without witnessing one of those famous sunsets. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky is painted in hues of orange, pink, and purple, creating a magical atmosphere that will leave you in awe. But Santorini is more than just a pretty picture. It's a place where you can immerse yourself in the local culture, experience the warmth and hospitality of its people, and discover the island's rich traditions. From lively festivals to serene village life, Santorini offers a unique blend of old and new. We'll delve into the island's history, exploring the ruins of Akrotiri, an ancient Minoan city buried by a volcanic eruption centuries ago. This archaeological site provides a fascinating insight into the island's past, with well-preserved buildings, frescoes, and artifacts that tell the story of a once-thriving civilization. Santorini is a feast for the senses, a place where beauty, history, and culture collide. Indulge in the island's culinary delights, from fresh seafood to locally produced wines. Take in the stunning landscapes, from the rolling vineyards to the dramatic cliffs. Santorini is not just a destination, it's an experience that will stay with you forever. Get ready to turn up the volume, folks, because we're heading to Mykonos, the party island of Greece. But don't think Mykonos is all about late nights and beach parties. This island has a charming side, too. We'll lose ourselves in the labyrinthine streets of Mykonos town, also known as Chora. Of course, no trip to Mykonos is complete without experiencing the island's legendary beaches. And when it's time to refuel, we'll dine on fresh seafood at a beachfront taverna. So, pack your swimsuit, your dancing shoes, and your sense of adventure, folks, because Mykonos is calling. Get ready for an adventure, folks, because we're heading to Crete, the largest of the Greek islands. Our journey begins in Heraklion, Crete's bustling capital. We'll delve into the island's Minoan past at the Palace of Knossos. But Crete is more than just ancient history. We'll explore the Samaria Gorge, hike through the White Mountains, and relax on the pink sands of Elefsonisi Beach. And for the foodies out there, Crete is a true culinary paradise. We'll savor the flavors of traditional Cretan cuisine and sip on raki, the local firewater. Crete is an island that will captivate your senses and leave you wanting more. Get ready for a journey into the heart of ancient Greece, folks, as we travel to Delphi, a place that has fascinated historians, archaeologists, and travelers for centuries. Perched majestically on the slopes of Mount Parnassus, Delphi is not just a site of profound historical and spiritual significance, but also a testament to the ingenuity and devotion of the ancient Greeks. Imagine standing among the ruins of the Temple of Apollo, where the ancient Greeks once came to consult the oracle. This was the very heart of the ancient world, where people from all walks of life sought guidance and wisdom. We'll explore the Athenian treasury, a symbol of the wealth and power of Athens, and marvel at the well-preserved theater, which once echoed with the voices of ancient performers and audiences. The Delphi Archaeological Museum houses an impressive collection of artifacts unearthed at the site. From intricate sculptures to everyday items, these relics offer a glimpse into the lives of those who once walked these grounds. And the surrounding landscape is simply breathtaking, with stunning views of the Pleistocene Valley and the Gulf of Corinth. The natural beauty of this place adds to its mystical aura, making it a perfect spot for reflection and admiration. Delphi is a reminder of the power of belief and the enduring legacy of ancient Greece. It stands as a monument to the human spirit and our quest for knowledge and understanding. So, come along with me and let's explore this sacred site. Together, we'll uncover the stories, the legends, and the history that make Delphi the navel of the world. Prepare to be amazed, folks, as we journey to Meteora. Here, towering sandstone pillars rise dramatically from the Thessaly plain, their peaks crowned with centuries-old monasteries. Today, 6 of these monasteries remain, accessible by footbridges and staircases carved into the rock. We'll visit the monastery of Great Meteoron, the largest and oldest of the monasteries. But Meteora is more than just monasteries. The surrounding landscape is a hiker's paradise, with trails winding through the rock formations. Meteora is a reminder of the power of faith, the beauty of nature, and the ingenuity of mankind. So come along with me, and let's explore this extraordinary place. Get ready to step back in time, folks, as we journey to the enchanting island of Rhodes. This gem of the Aegean Sea is steeped in history and brimming with stories waiting to be discovered. We'll begin our exploration in Rhodes Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that perfectly blends the old with the new. Here, every corner tells a tale, and every stone whispers secrets of the past. Imagine walking through the imposing gates of the old city, stepping into a world of cobblestone streets, medieval walls, and grand palaces. The air is thick with the echoes of knights and the grandeur of a bygone era. We'll stroll along the Street of the Knights, where the chivalric order once walked, and explore the magnificent Palace of the Grand Master, a fortress that stands as a testament to the island's storied past. But Rhodes is more than just its medieval past. It's a vibrant island where history meets modernity. From bustling local markets to lively nightlife, there's something for everyone. We'll visit the Acropolis of Lindos, perched high above the sea, offering breathtaking views and a glimpse into ancient Greek civilization. The climb may be steep, but the reward is worth every step. And of course, no trip to Rhodes would be complete without some time on the beach. Whether you're looking to relax under the sun, take a dip in the crystal clear waters, or engage in thrilling water activities, Rhodes' beaches have it all. Rhodes is an island that has it all: history, culture, natural beauty, and a relaxed Mediterranean vibe. From its scenic landscapes to its delicious cuisine, enjoyed at seaside tavernas, and the mesmerizing sunsets over the beach, Rhodes promises an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Olympia, where the games began. Get ready to retrace the footsteps of legends, folks, as we travel to Olympia, the birthplace of the Olympic Games. Here, amidst ancient ruins and verdant olive groves, the spirit of competition and athletic excellence still resonates today. We'll explore the ruins of the Temple of Zeus and wander through the Prytaneum. The Archaeological Museum of Olympia houses an impressive collection of artifacts unearthed at the site. Olympia is a reminder of the power of the human spirit and the pursuit of excellence. So come along with me and let's explore this sacred site. Corfu, the Emerald Isle of Greece. Prepare to be enchanted, folks, as we set sail for Corfu. We'll begin our exploration in Corfu Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. But Corfu is more than just its charming capital. We'll escape to the island's interior and discover charming villages like Paleokastritsa. We'll relax on the golden sands of Glyfada and Sidari and swim in the turquoise waters of the Ionian Sea. And for the foodies out there, Corfu won't disappoint. Corfu is an island that will captivate your heart with its beauty, history, and charm. Zakynthos, Zante, shipwrecks, and sea turtles. Get ready for adventure, folks, as we set sail for Zakynthos. Our first stop has to be Navajo Beach, accessible only by boat. But Zakynthos is more than just Navajo Beach. We'll explore the Blue Caves and take a boat trip to Marathonese Island, a nesting ground for loggerhead sea turtles. And for the thrill seekers, Zakynthos offers plenty of opportunities for adventure. Zakynthos is an island that will stay with you long after you've said goodbye. So come along with me and let's explore this island paradise. Farewell from Greece. And there we have it, folks, a whirlwind tour of some of Greece's most iconic destinations. From the ancient wonders of Athens and Delphi to the sun-drenched islands of Santorini and Mykonos, Greece has something to offer every traveler. I hope this journey has inspired you to experience the magic of Greece for yourself. So get out there, explore the world, and never stop discovering.